Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Reddit account, right? So let's open our Reddit mobile application here, right? So let's just try this again and here it is. So once you are into your Reddit mobile application, you will get the two options to just make an account. Here it says that already a Redditor. I mean, if you have already an account, then just click on login. If you want to create a new account, then you can just create it with your Google. So if I just click on Google, then whatever the email address I have in my phone, I can just log in by using those email address, right? And the other way is choose with email. You can just add your email address other than Google, or you can also add your Google address here, and you have to just make a new password and then click on continue. So guys, right now I will just go back and I will try to create an account with my Google email address, right? So here I've just selected one of my email address here, and here you can see that I don't need password. I can just use my Google account to create an account and I will get the access. So here I have to choose whether what gender I am. So choose my gender, and the topics which you are most interested, you can just select here, for example this, or for example this, or whatever. I'm just randomly choosing it, but I hope you got the point. Once you're done, just click on continue, right? And here this is a username, just like how you create over Instagram. You can just create your username here. So here I'll just create a username that should be unique. So for example, whatever it is, or let's say this, right? I hope this is unique, right? And if you're not able to think of a name here, you will get a suggestion. Then just click on continue. Once you click on continue, here is avatar. So whatever avatar you want to choose it, you can just choose. For example, I like this one. I will just click on continue here, and that's it. So you have made an account on Reddit and you can just use Reddit for fun, memes, or whatever, right? So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.